Hi, everyone. This is Rob Roy of Elliott Wave Options, and welcome to this edition of Pro Trader Tips. In this recording, we're going to feature a recent closed trade in our AI-based impulse portfolio at ewotrader.com on SKX. As you can see, it was trade ID 1397. It was a long call. You get all the information on exactly what was included in there. And if we go to look at the entry, I wanted to show you the chart and two things here. When I look at these AI-based impulse trades, I like to have a zigzag pattern within the wave three. It's my favorite of all pattern, even before the Hub organization started infusing my searches with AI and just making them that much better. But I still like having a zigzag pattern within the wave three. So that's a good start. We have good confirmation from the DMI. The ADX is above 25 between the two directional indicators. So my favorite confirming indicator for Elliott Wave is there. We've got an AI score of 73%, which is honestly a tad low. We like 75 or above on the setup, but when we have such a great zigzag with a B wave right at the 50% level and the target actually on the AI target a little below the 100%, it's a great setup. So even though the score was a tiny bit low from what we usually send out for alerts, I felt like this one was worthwhile to do. We sent it out and it worked out extremely well. As you can see, just a day later, so a little over 24 hours later, we popped up. We went up 2 straight days on SKX. So you can see a big day yesterday, a big day here when we closed it out. And then the question that comes, and here's where the Pro Trader tip comes in. I've talked about this a long time ago, but I thought it was worth bringing up again to remind everyone, because the comment that I get a lot on the AI is that, why did you close this out before you hit the AI target? Couldn't you have waited a little longer and made even more? Well, the Pro Trader tip is reminding you on volatility and how IV is priced into options. We normally talk about IV with the VIX and how increased volatility gets put into options when the VIX goes up. But when you have a vertical move, even on the call side, they actually add IV into the calls. So the fact that we had 2 big vertical days created an infusion of IV. So even if we eventually go up and hit the target, if it slows down, that IV comes out, and yeah, you get the delta movement in the value of the call, but the IV would come out. And so it ends canceling each other out. So why wait? Go ahead and take the gain while you have this infusion of IV, even if you haven't quite reached your profit target. And when we can get 40% on an alert in just over 24 hours, we're going to take that every time. So it's not always about hitting your targets exactly. It's about trading with what creates the best value in the options you're using. So I hope you found that informative. Look forward to talking again soon. Take care, everybody.